Slain PNP Patriot founding member Kevin Brown was involved in a passport and visa racket, this according to the police.
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
According to reports, the police have reasons to believe that Kevin Brown, the Justice of the Peace, and a founding member of the People's National Party's young professional arm, the Patriots, who was killed along Chesterfield Drive in St. Andrew on the 11th of December, was involved in a passport and visa racket. The revelations were made by head of the St. Andrew South Police, Superintendent Wayne Cameron, who said 50 passports were found in Mr. Brown's possession. He wants persons who have given passports to Mr. Brown to report to the Hunts Bay Criminal Investigations Branch.
We need to speak with these individuals, and this is out of the continuing investigation around the murder of Mr. Kevin Brown. He was killed on December 11 along Chesterfield Road in the St. Andrew South Space, and following the investigations, we uncovered this box containing 41 passports. In the initial stage of the investigation, we had found 9 passports, so we have a sum total of 50. We want to speak with persons who would have passed on their passports to Mr. Brown to have their statements recorded. And to further our investigation in this murder incident, we really want to clear this one up.
Cameron also said that statements have already been collected from 2 persons whose passports were found in Mr. Brown's possession. Brown, a 44-year-old resident of McIntyre Villa, was also an employee of the Ministry of Energy.
Teach them! Hey, yo, send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below. Remember to like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Follow me on social media and check out the suggested videos on screen. This is Teach saying, until next time, walk good, my friends.